Hi, Sheila here from Satin Crystals, and I was wondering if you are also stuck indoors like we are here in California right now. Well, whether you're at home because of the coronavirus or it's a rainy day and you don't want to go outside, we have indoor crystal healing ideas and tips for you. We have already published 3 parts to our Peace Not Panic series. And that's 15 different ideas on crystal healing and self-care. So some of the ideas that we expand on include distance healing, earth healing, manifestation, sound baths, virtual crystal parties. And being in this business for the last 19 years, since 2001, we have a lot more crystal ideas coming for you as well. So instead of focusing on the negative aspects of the world right now, why not enhance your metaphysical knowledge and connect with your spiritual self? You know you've been putting it off, and now is the perfect time to dive right into the crystal healing world. Make sure that you are part of the Satin Crystals VIP Club, and you'll get the emails straight to your inbox. If you are just joining us today, the 3 previously published articles are now on satincrystals.com, so you can enjoy them there. Have you been using your crystals during this time? As you know, they're a great way to lift your spirits and tap into your tranquility. As I said, peace, not panic. We would love to hear your comments, your stories, and if you have any crystal-related questions, we are here for you as well. Until then, stay safe, stay positive, and see you at Satin Crystals.